Gusto mo maging commissioned officer ng Bureau of Jail Management and Penology and Bureau of Fire Protection, kailangan mo itong malaman. Before, kung gusto mo maging commissioned officer ng BJMP and BFP, pwede kang pumasok sa Philippine National Police Academy. Pero ngayon, hindi na siya pwede. Last na yung PNP Class 2024. Dahil nga ito sa Republic Act 11279. Ito yung batas na nililipat ang administration and control ng Philippine National Police Academy sa PNP from Philippine Public Safety College. Dahil nga lahat ng graduate ng PNPA ay sa PNP na pupunta, doon nagawa yung bagong academy. Yan yung Philippine Public Safety Academy. Ito na yung academy na gustong maging commissioned officer ng BJMP at BFP. Na-establish nga ito noong June 2, 2022 sa bisa ng DILG Circular 2022-009. Creation and operationalization of the Philippine National Public Safety Academy in relation with Republic Act 11279. Sa video na ito, pag-usapan natin ang basic requirements, disqualification, course offered, at PPSA cadet admission test. Unahin natin ang basic requirements and disqualification. Ang requirements nga, qualification and initial requirements for admission must be natural born citizen of the Philippines, person of good moral character, male or female with no parental obligations, must be already in uniform service of the Bureau of Fire Protection and Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. At least 2 years in the service and not more than 28 years of age on the day of the appointment. Kailangan nga dito, in service ka na or nakapasok ka na sa BJMP or BFP. Hindi ito tulad ng ibang academy na pwede ka mag-umpisa bilang civilian. Mag-apply ka muna as non-commissioned officer, FO1 or JO1, at makapagserbisyo muna ng 2 years. Kasama din pala dito yung JO2 and FO2. Sunod naman, weight not more than 5 kilograms of the standard weight corresponding to his her height and age and sex. No pending case prior to his her appointment as FO1 or JO1. And lastly, not convicted for an offense or crime involving moral turpitude. Punta naman tayo sa disqualification. Grounds for medical disqualification: defective visual perception, color blindness, nearsighted, farsighted, with corrective eyeglasses or lens, and nystagmus. Physical deformities, example, bow-legged and congenital defects, perforated eardrum, chronic sinusitis, bleeding tendencies, hemorrhoids, hernia, if not treated, varicocele, sensitive skin disorders, history of heart disease, hypertension, asthma, PTB, kidney and liver diseases, epileptic seizure disorders, major operation, and communicable disease. Full dentures, upper and lower, left lip and palate, malocclusion, deformities of the face, open bite, tongue-tied, and missing 6 posterior and molar teeth, tattoos and other brotherhood marks of the skin, ear piercing, for male only. For females, history of pregnancy and painful menstruation. Lastly, any other similar defects which may hinder in the cadetship training program. Punta naman tayo sa course offered. Ang PPSA may dalawang course: Bachelor of Science in Fire Protection Administration para sa mga BFP cadets and Bachelor of Science in Penology and Correction Administration para sa mga BJMP cadets. Ang course nga dito ay kinukuha ng 2 taon at meron silang tri-semesters. Punta naman tayo sa last topic. Yan yung PPSA cadet admission. According nga sa website nila, to be announced pa ang application ng cadet admission test nila. Pero para lang magka-idea kayo, ang test venue nila ng examination sa Luzon ay sa Laguna, Baguio, NCR at Pampanga. Sa Visayas naman, sa Cebu at Iloilo. Sa Mindanao, Davao, Butuan, and Zamboanga. So yan, sana marami kayong natutunan. Kung may katanungan kayo na kaya kong sagutan, comment nyo lang. Maraming salamat.